I love them. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's unboxing is probably one of the craziest pairs I have ever picked up. So these are the Air Force Ones Experimental Pink that I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on today. I feel like they are much like Marmite, like you either love them or you hate them. Like I said, they are a bit of a crazy, out there, insane pair, but that just makes me love them even more. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Ultimately, they are an Air Force One, so they do come in a standard like Air Force One box. I was kind of thinking I would get them in like some crazy pink box because of how crazy they are, but no, they're just a standard box and standard tissue paper. So here we have them. Just wow, I'm speechless. So I'm not sure you could call these like an exclusive pair because they didn't come out in like sneakers or anything, but how I managed to get them is through a size raffle, which I've never ever won a raffle of there, but these were my first wins, so thank you, size. I don't know why I'm looking up there, like sizes up above, you know. Anyway, I had a look on some other places like Office, Offspring that did sell these and they were all sold out, so I don't know if that makes them exclusive, but I'm just gonna go with that. So usually I don't start with the insole, but I just want to read to you what is inside the insole, and that is the Air Force One experimental type design is based on an oxygen mask used in a Nike Sports research lab. So that is the design behind the whole of the shoe, hence you've got the plastic coating, and you've also got these lace toggles as well, which would be the same as, you know, an oxygen mask. They don't actually tighten the shoe, they're just there for design. So going into the details of the shoe, obviously the main thing that stands out is this plastic coating that goes all around the shoe, apart from the outsole and the tongue and the inside. One thing I was really surprised about is how soft the shoe is. It is literally like foam and then the plastic coating. So really liked that. I'm wondering if they're gonna crease, which I don't think they're not gonna crease, are they? Because they're not leather. That is exciting to see. We'll have to find out to see whether they crease. But anyway, they also have these folds on the shoe, which I didn't realize from the picture. I initially thought they were kind of like drips of paint, but they're actually folds of plastic. The best way to kind of describe this is like if you had sellotape and you're wrapping something up and it doesn't go on smoothly, you know, you get folds in it. It's literally like exactly the same. So again, going with the kind of oxygen mask theme, you've just got kind of a basic tongue which is made out of foam as well. One side it actually has the Nike Air logo and the other side is plain. It's kind of like a light grey, which is quite a nice feature as well. So as you can see, you do have the normal white laces on a normal Air Force One, which obviously, you know, tightens the shoe. The lace toggles are purely just for design, and it is quite a nice aesthetic. Again, makes the shoe a bit edgy. Around the laces as well, you've got this pop of yellow with the hoops that contain the toggle. I am literally living for this yellow. The contrast is, and such like summer vibes. So the heel tab is like neon bright yellow, and then we've also got this sticker at the back which says this label is your guarantee of quality, Nike Air Force One Experimental, and then some random numbers, but who cares about the numbers? It's like that experimental sciencey vibe that we're going on with the label, which I really like. It's really nice like addition detail to the shoe. So also at the back of the shoe, you've got like this upside down Nike logo as well. Again, something different. You can barely see it as well because it is the same kind of plasticky coating. Along one side of the swoosh, it's got N354. I don't really know what that means. I guess it's just some random numbers. You know, I'm not really here for the numbers. The shoe's everything. So we have a brown outsole. I was kind of thinking maybe they could have done like a white outsole. That would have made like the shoes like really pop with the laces, but maybe they wanted something more subtle because the shoe, you know, is a bit crazy. So what is the same about this shoe is the classic Air Force One silhouette. You've got the swoosh, which is in the right place, right sizing. And also another interesting thing, it's got the perforated toe box with the holes at the front of the shoe, which I actually didn't realize again till I had in hand. So it's almost like the plastic coat just covers the foam silhouette and you can see the silhouette underneath, which is so cool. So for sizing wise, these shoes actually come in men's and women's. Obviously I went for women's and I got a UK 6. For those of you that don't already know, for Air Force One's women's, I always go a size down. So in every other kind of normal shoe, I am a size 7, but for women's Air Force Ones, I have to go down a size. So I got these in a size 6, and yeah, they fit comfy, they fit like Air Force Ones do. Overall, quite a crazy standout shoe. I'd probably wear something simple with this and let the shoes do all the talking, because this would be quite hard to put like with a crazy colourful outfit because they are so colourful. But yeah, if you're looking for something crazy to add to your collection, I would definitely recommend these. But also I literally cannot wait for summer to rock these, because I do feel like they are kind of like a summery vibe kind of shoe. But yeah, super excited to wear these, and I'm so happy I have them in my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my latest shoe unboxings. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes in the comments below, and I'll see you all next time.